अस्सलाम वालेकुम लर्नर्स। पढ़ना ज़रूरी है लेकिन सही तरीके से। Many students study for long hours but they still feel confused. They read books again and again but they forget quickly. The problem is not hard work. The problem is the wrong learning method. In this video, I will share a simple smart learning formula that can change the way you study and learn English. So let's understand what smart learning really means. Smart learning is not about studying more hours. Smart learning is about understanding clearly. The first rule of smart learning is focus on one concept at a time. When you try to learn many things together, your brain becomes confused. But when you focus on only one concept, your mind understands it deeply. The second rule is learn with examples. After learning one concept, understand it with at least 3 examples. Examples make learning easy and practical. They help you remember the concept for a long time. The third rule is daily practice. You don't need to study for many hours. Just practice a little every day. Daily practice makes your learning strong and permanent. This is why we say smart learning is not about studying more, it's about understanding better. If you understand better, you remember longer. If you remember longer, you become confident. For learning English, this method works perfectly. Learn one word, one grammar rule, or one sentence. See how it's used in daily life, then practice speaking or writing it every day. Don't rush, don't compare yourself with others. Improve step by step. English is a skill, not magic. Skills grow with practice and patience. Remember one thing, consistency is a real degree. Degrees are paper, but consistency builds real skills. If you improve just 1% every day, your future will change completely. Improve yourself daily with PurkinjiEnglish. Keep learning, keep growing.